babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you babes so much for tuning back in. As you babes can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tint my brows and how I also fill in my brows. Super easy, super simple. I'm currently doing a mental health day, so I did a little staycation in Houston, sipping on some Prosecco, and yeah, just enjoying myself. So I thought I would do this video for you guys because my eyebrow tutorial is highly requested, so I really hope you guys like it. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay babes, let's just get right into the video. I have white strips in my mouth right now and I'm drinking. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but that's what I'm doing right now. So if I'm talking weird, that's why. The first thing that I always start with is I brush my brows. I just go ahead and brush them up. I already did that off camera. So just go ahead and brush your brows up. You want to make sure that they're in good placement for your eyebrow tint. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do the tint and also how I fill in my eyebrows. The eyebrow tint I use, I do get it from Amazon. It's called Mina Brow. This is the packaging. And I get it in the color dark brown. Obviously they have like various colors, but I like my eyebrows really, really dark. And the longer you leave your tint on, the darker it will be and the longer it will last. So yeah. If anyone's interested in what I'm drinking, it's this cupcake Prosecco. It's actually really good. I usually don't like Prosecco, but the guy at Specs I asked him what's the sweetest champagne, and he showed me this one. It's really good. So if you are a champagne drinker, well, is Prosecco champagne? I don't know, I think so. It's really good. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. So when you open your package, what's in here is there's a brush to apply it, and then there's like this little like droplets. You'll see. So let me just show you guys first so it'll make more sense. And this also comes with 3 tints. So it's 3 of them in here, so I think that's a pretty good deal for the price. Eyebrow tint looks like this, and there's powder in here. And then it comes with this little cup. So what you want to do is pour your powder into this cup. That's the first step. Sorry if I'm talking weird. Like I said, I have my white strips in, girl. I also want to mention this easily stains. So lay a towel down, not a white towel. I'm in a hotel, so this is what I have. But lay a towel down because it will stain your table, it will stain your clothes. So you want to be very careful not to get the powder on anything. So I would recommend laying a towel down first. There's a little package in the purple package. This is where the powder is in. And most people don't even use the whole thing. You don't need the whole thing. I pour like majority of it in there, and then you can save the rest for next time. These actually last a long time. People say they only use like half of this and then they save the other half for next time. And like I said, the packet comes with 3 of these. So this can last you up to like what, 5 months if I did my math correctly, or the Prosecco is in my brain. I think it can last you up to 5 months, right? So once you pour your powder in here, it looks like this. You then want to take the dropper that it comes with, fill it with water, and then I put about 3 drops in here. You want to make sure you don't put like a lot of water, because if it's too watery, you're gonna ruin the consistency. You want it to be like a thick consistency. So after you use the dropper to drop your water in the powder, it also comes with this little like spoon, and you just use this to stir it. And you want to keep mixing the powder with the water until it becomes like a pasty-like consistency. I would show you guys, but it looks just like paint right now. So I'm just gonna keep mixing until it gets thick. Sometimes if it's too watery, I'll just go ahead and add in more powder so I can get the paste consistency that, you know, I'm looking for. Remember how I told you guys to put like 3 drops? I did way more than 3 drops, which is why I had to go in and add some more powder. But if you just literally put in 3 small drops and start mixing it, you'll get the consistency that you're looking for. Also, I'm sure everybody knows this, but make sure your eyebrows are clean and dry before you apply the paste. So after I mix it, I just kind of let my paste sit for like 5 minutes just so it can thicken up, which I already did off camera. So now we are about to apply the paste. I'm gonna use the brush that they do have. I also forgot to mention, they also give you this container to keep the rest of the dye that you don't use at the end. You can put it in here and use it for next time. You're gonna look crazy at first, but you just have to trust the process. Yeah, I literally just go like that. Hopefully you guys are at a good angle. You want to go kind of like a little bit over your real brow, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. It was crazy, crazy, crazy. So usually I have like a Q-tip and I wet it and I clean it up to make it perfect, but I'm at a hotel and they don't have any Q-tips. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. I'm just gonna have to hope that these come out good. But yeah, if you're at home and you have Q-tips, just go in with your Q-tips and just clean it up and make it perfect to your liking. I know at first it looks quite insane. I'm very much so aware of that. And yeah, you just wait 15 minutes and after 15 minutes, you just literally wipe it off. And that would be the result. So I'll be back after 15 minutes. If it looks crazy, you guys, I'm sorry. It usually doesn't look crazy, but I don't have anything to clean it up and make it perfect. So this is how it's gonna look. Also, I don't really have a technique when I'm tinting my brows. I have more of a technique when I'm filling in my brows. When I just tint my brows, just literally follow the shape of your eyebrows. And you wanna go a little bit over. Not too much over, but just a little bit over. Is what I do. And if this comes out bad, you guys, I am so sorry. I couldn't clean it up for you guys. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. It's now time to wipe this off. I'm actually really scared because I didn't get to clean it up. This is just what it is. So yeah, ooh. Let's wipe it off. But that's what it looks like. Obviously, if you leave it on longer, it looks a lot better. I usually leave it on for like hours. But for the sake of this video, I'm taking it off right at 15 minutes. That's what it looks like. So yeah, it looks nothing like those big old blocks. This is what they look like after I tint them. So I'm no longer bald throughout the week. Usually, you guys, they're darker than this because I leave it on for hours, but for the sake of this video, I only left it on for literally exactly 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I fill in my brows. My everyday brows, I use the CoverGirl Dip Brow. If you want it, I will link it down below. I do my eyebrows, it's so simple. You guys will not believe your eyes on how simple it is. You just open it up, get some product, and I just follow the shape of my brows. After I fill it in, I just brush out the tip like this. That's basically how I do the shape of it, and then I sculpt it out with concealer. I just used a Born This Way concealer. I usually just do like 2 dots and sculpt it out. And there you have it. That's how I do my eyebrows. Let's do the other side. there you have it. That's how I do my eyebrows. Hope you babes liked it. I hope that was easy to follow. My eyebrows are super easy and super quick. Just basically follow the shape of your eyebrows, brush out the front. I basically do 2016 eyebrows. I never left year 2016. I just love these kind of brows. I'm not into the brows that are like brushed up or the natural looking brows. Like, I love bold brows like this. This is just what I've always liked. So yeah, babes, I hope you babes enjoy the video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next one. I'll see you babes next Sunday. Bye. Love you guys.